Hiya, welcome back to my channel. It's Wendy here from Toonfish Crafts and I hope you're doing okay. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be making a mould. I bought some stickers from B&M, which I seem to visit quite a lot for some reason. They're only about £2.30, £2.50, something like that, so they were quite cheap. But they're kind of a 3D foil type sticker. And I thought, the reason I bought them is because I thought they would make a great mould. So that's the plan. I'm going to make the mould from the stickers, hopefully, and try and cast from the mould. Let's see how we get on.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
enjoyed making that mould. Moulds always worry me because I get bubbles. I never got one. I will be making lots more out of that mould. And these are the ones I made this time. Aren't they sweet? Dusted mould with mica powder. And you can use these for tags. You can write on the back with Posca pens or indelible ink. And you can always put UV resin over the top if you're worried that it's going to come off. And you can use them as tags. But I plan to make a lot more of these, and come over and see me on Instagram because that's where they're going to be. All up on Instagram. All sorts, glittered ones and clear ones and different types. So yeah, yay! Anyway, have a nice week. I'll see you again next week. Bye for now.